Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Cookies and cream. Love it. My son and his wife are visiting from Oregon. In fact, they're going to be here later tonight. And I wanted to make a cake, and I'm a little short on time. So I decided instead of a layer cake, I'm going to make a sheet cake. And it just so happens that they both love cookies and cream. So I thought I'd surprise them with a cookies and cream sheet cake. Sheet cakes are so simple, especially when you're running short on time like I am. So let's dive right into it. Now for the cookies part. These are about 12 regular Oreos that I just put in a bag and just kind of crunched up. I'm not mixing them with a beater into the batter. I'm just taking my spatula and just incorporating them. They're chunky. They shouldn't be fine. They should have nice chunks to them. Now I'm going to take our batter and I'm putting it in a greased 9 by 13 baking dish. And just smooth it out. Little jiggle jiggle. Now we're going to pop this in the oven at 350. We're going to bake it for about 32 to 35 minutes. See you in a bit. So while our cookies and cream cake is baking, let's make our frosting. This is going to be a whipped cream frosting with Oreo cookies in it, along with some cream cheese for a little added stability. Wow, this sounds really delicious. So in my stand mixer with a whisk attachment, I'm going to be putting in 6 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to beat this on medium-high for about a minute. I'm going to be adding 3/4 of a cup of confectioners sugar, along with a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Here I have 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to pour this slowly into the bowl. I'm going to turn this up to high and beat this until stiff peaks form, about 1 to 2 minutes. Let's taste it. It actually tastes really creamy, but without the taste of the cream cheese, which is exactly what I wanted. All right, let's add in our Oreo cookie chunks. This is about 10 Oreos that I just kind of crunched up in, and again, a plastic bag. All right, now let's mix these in. I'm just doing this by hand with a spatula. Look how well this turned out. It's all nice and cool. And I'm gonna take our cookies and cream and I'm gonna just dump it all on here. I like this. Lots of it. Delicious. Can I give you this piece, Christine?
Sure. It looks really good.
Just the side shot. That's the three shot.
I can even smell. Oh, I can smell it. So it's good.
All right, how much more do you want?
All right, you can stop it for now.
Thanks for joining me today, everybody. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Leave me a comment. I love answering all of my comments. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.